that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and in today's video we're gonna be extra as fuck and we're gonna do this floral cut crease, you guys. I was inspired to do this because the new Fenty Beauty, these are the vivid liquid eyeliners, you guys, and I did pick up this one in Sephora the other day, the one that has the yellow, the pink, and the white. And then I also came across this floral cut crease that I seen on Instagram, so I was like, you know what, I want to test these babies out as well as do something fun and extra because you guys seem to like the extra looks lately. I also wanted to thank all my prima donnas for all the love on my last video. Thank you so much. You know, it was like a little out there with the neon, but you guys definitely showed mad love on Instagram as well as the tutorial that I put on for my neon look. So if y'all want extra, I could give y'all extra. So let me know what it do, boo. Let me know, cause I could be backing out, you know, the crazy stuff, you know. Oh my god, I forgot to tell you. Yes, we did dye the hair back black. I had to dye my natural hair back black because all of my ends was breaking off, you guys, because of the bleach. I really loved it, the ombre. It was so cute. It was a vibe. It was a moment, but it was breaking off my ends, you guys, and it was making my hair look dry and fried. So I decided to grow my hair out, dye it black, trim my ends, and that's what we're giving right now. So I know you probably like, something's different about you, and it's my hair. So yeah, anyways, let me shut up finally and let you watch this tutorial. Comment down below what look you guys want to see next, and of course thumbs up if you enjoyed this one. And until next time, guys, bye. Before we get into this bomb makeup look, y'all know I'm about to hook y'all up with something. I got a package from UpBra. If you guys don't know about UpBra, it is my hands down favorite bra ever, you guys. I've talked about them before in the past in previous videos. I'm still rocking this bra. I just recently caught me the white one, you guys, and I absolutely love this bra because it has grips, so you could take off the straps and it's not gonna go anywhere. My favorite part about the bra is this cleavage control strap right here. As you guys can see in my other bra, it wasn't really doing your girl justice, but with the UpBra, yeah girl, now we talking. So as the weather is getting warmer, you know the titties are about to be out and flourishing like this flower cut crease we about to do. So definitely check out my coupon code if you guys want to copy the UpBra. So anyway, moving back into this makeup tutorial, I'm going to prime my lids really quick with some concealer. And my palette of choice today is going to be the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I love this palette for bright makeup looks, you guys. Juvia's Place hands down has some of the most like pigmented eyeshadows when it comes up to bright colors. So I am going to be taking the yellow, the orange, the pink, and the purple from that palette. And what you want to go ahead and do with this look is just try to pack on the colors to make them nice and vibrant. You don't have to really worry about placement too much because we're gonna be cutting the crease anyways. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I haven't done a cut crease in a little minute, so I was a little bit shook. I kind of like not forgot the steps, but forgot like damn how much work that it really took. Also, if the lighting is a bit different, you guys, I did just zoom in my camera and it was super bright because finally your girl woke up early to film. I'm not sure if I told you guys before in the past, but I'm not really big on filming in the daytime. I'm more of like a night owl. I come alive in the night time. So I woke up super early to do this look, you guys, at like 9 in the morning. So that's why my eyes are a bit puffed and red because, girl, I was tired. I should have chose an easier look to do bright and early, but fuck it. 9 a.m. we put in flowers on our crease jewelry. So after I packed on all my beautiful colors in the crease, I am now just going to cut my lid with some concealer. I'm using the same Too Faced concealer. And as you guys can see, I am kind of like winging it out. I'm not doing like a half cut crease. We're going full on drama today, honey. So I am going to take my Riviera, I say Rivera, bitch, the Rivera palette from Anastasia. And yo, have y'all gotten to the white in that palette? Girl, that white is no joke. Like, I really like the white. So I'm gonna set my whole entire lid with the white, and I am also gonna pop into that little bright pink moment in the Rivera palette because my pink was a little bit dull, so I wanted to, you know, really make those colors pop. So I did go in with a small detail brush and bring those colors back alive. So now to start on the flowers, you guys, I'm gonna be taking this Fenty Beauty, honey, the liners that she just came out with. I only copped one because I don't know if I like them, so I did go ahead and for the rest of my colors just use my Jeffree Star, like the Pride collection, for like the green and other colors for the flowers. So FENTY liner was giving it to me, like no shade. Like their shit was really vivid, like exactly what it says on the packaging, vivid liners. I thought it was just gonna be some regular schmegula fucking liner. No, girl, she was really giving it to me. As you guys can see, a comparison from her FENTY liner to like a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick, which is what I'm using for the orange. You can hardly even see it. But then now with this pink, which is from FENTY, girl, it was giving it to me. So I probably am gonna cop the other colors because I really liked the formula of these. They weren't cracking and they were super pigmented. Like I had no issues with them. As you guys can see with the Jeffree Star like liquid lipsticks, I have to like go in with a second coat. So I wanted to see if I go in with a second coat on the FENTY, what it would do, and bitch, that yellow just instantly turned neon. Like I was gagging. Now I am just gonna go ahead and create my little flowers. It was really hard to do this on camera, you guys, but I am kind of just making like a star with like points. I don't really know how to explain it, but you guys get to see what I'm doing. I am now gonna take my black regular liquid liner. This is from Wet n Wild, and I am gonna add black little dots in between all of the flowers so that way it actually looks like a flower and not know what the fuck is that on your crease. You know what I'm saying? And now I am gonna take the white liner from the FENTY set, and I am gonna add like little highlights to the flowers. That way they look a little bit more 3D and not so flat. You don't want to overdo it with the white that you like completely cover the colors though. And now I am gonna take green. This is gonna act as like the leaves for the little flowers. And oh my gosh, you guys, I've never really done something like this intricate on my channel. I'm really enjoying these like really out there looks. So now I'm gonna work on my lash line, and I am going to add like a background color to my liner. So I am gonna start with the purple and also do some pink and then drag it out with some yellow. But then now I am going to add like a black line so that way it doesn't look weird, especially when we put our lashes on. So for that, I am gonna just be running some black shadow across my lash line to darken up my lashes as well. And I am just gonna wing that out just a tiny bit so it goes with the whole flow of the cut crease. So as you guys can see off camera, I did pop on the lashes and do a quick face just because I wanted to speed things up. I didn't want this tutorial to be like a cajillion billion minutes long, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna work on my lower lash line. You can put whatever colors you want on your lower lash line. You could follow the colors of your crease or your smoky liner, whatever you want to do. I decided to kind of like follow the colors of my liner. So yeah, I am just gonna run the colors on my lower lash line, and then for my inner corner I did pop into this Lunar Beauty palette by Manny MUA. This is the Greek Goddess palette, and I did just take that first shade, which has a really pretty pink undertone. And now I'm gonna do my lips. I am gonna take whatever's left, girl, of my Kylie gloss because we struggling over here. I love this gloss so much because it has a pink glitter reflex. I thought it would go perfect with this look. So yeah, after I did my gloss, I am just gonna dewy mist this beat because we are all done, ladies. And that was it for this floral cut crease moment. She's real cute, she's real summer, she's real spring. Comment down below if you would actually recreate this look or wear this look. I'm curious to know. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye.